Alrighty, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Omoton Clear TPU protective case for the Samsung Galaxy S8. Now, we're going to go through this box. We're going to give you my first impressions. But before we do that, I just want to cover a little bit of what I'm already rocking, because I know I flew through the unboxing of the S8 rather quickly. In my excitement, I forgot to talk about the case and the screen protector that I had already picked up. So in terms of the case, this is a Boss case that I picked up from Amazon. That's JOBSS. And one nice thing about this case is it's a dual rugged hybrid TPU case, and it integrates a kickstand, which is right here, which also has a credit card slot, so that's really nice. Alright, now I've only been using this one for a few days, so I haven't really quite gathered all my opinions on it, but similar to what I did with the LG G6, I'm going to do the best cheap cases video for the Samsung Galaxy S8, where I'll just lay out all the cases and give you guys my opinions on all of the cases. So before we can get to that, we got to get through this case right here. So back to the Omoton Clear TPU case. Now I already cracked all the tapes and seals, so there should be minimal struggles on camera. Whoa, slow down, son. Talking about the packaging, I have to say this is a really nice package. Very clean company logo on the front. I'm liking the white and green. I think I'm more of a fan of the old school Omoton packaging, which was black and brown. I kind of like that one more. But you can see really nice company logos on the back and the front. And it just tells you basically what it is. So cell phone protective case for the Samsung Galaxy S8. And it does look like it comes with life warranty on it. Oh, not bad. And then across the bottom, you can see right here, we got the company website, we got the US support page, and then we got the European support page across the bottom. So if you want to pick this up or you'd like to know more, feel free to pause and check those websites out for yourself. I'll be sure to leave those links down below in the video description. Okay? Alright, now moving on. Inside of the box, we have a nice see-through package here with just the case and what looks like a thank you card. And again, the same stuff that we had on the box. So nice little company branding up top, cell phone protective case, and that's all there is to it. And again, we have the the company's website and the support emails. Again, give y'all 2 times. Let me pause so y'all can see that. Bam. And that's about it. So now cracking this plastic, and please forgive me because plastic struggles will ensue. There we go. Alright. Throw that off here. So cracking the plastic, you can see we got a nice little card here. It says Omoton, better than you want. And then it just says if you're looking for their stuff, you just search them on Amazon. And then you have their email right down there. And then on the back, if you like their product, please feel free to give them a review on Amazon. All that good stuff there. So nice little thank you card. If you check them out, you know what to do. Throw that off to the side. And here is the case itself. So nice little filler. Alright, and then it looks like we got more plastic here. Plastic on the outside. Bam. Any plastic on the inside? Yes, plastic on the inside. Bam. So that does it for the plastics. Give me a second. Gonna pop the Jobs case off and put on the Omoton. And yeah. And just so y'all know, this right here again is the QUESPLE tempered glass screen protector for the S8. And I actually like this one it went on extremely easy. Now I am getting a little upset because it seems to be easily picking up lint and stuff from my pockets, and that's getting a little annoying. But it is what it is. I still have maximum protection and maximum functionality, so it's all good. So let's pop the jobs case off here. Man, fingerprint magnet on deck. Get my microfiber cleaning cloth real fast. Alright. Wipe this down real quick. Because as soon as I took it out the box, I got them fingerprints on it. And now let's put the new case on. Alright, let's see what we're working with. Alright, slides right in. And now we got the case installed. So that actually looks really, really good. Now I apologize for the lighting, guys. It was sunny when I started, but it looks like it's getting ready to rain outside. And without the windows open, I don't have the best light. So I apologize if y'all see a change in the light quality. There we go, sun coming back out. Okay, might get better. So that looks really, really good. So you can see we got the clear back. All right. No branding on it, but you can see we still have the phone branding. So we just have Samsung and then Galaxy S8 there and FCC certification information. Along the sides, all of our buttons are covered in a nice little rugged black band. And let me check this out. Still got maximum clickiness there, so you can see our Bixby button still works. Volume button still work, and they're actually very, very clicky. I don't know how well y'all can hear that. Let me get this closer. Very clicky stuff there, very clicky. And all of our shortcuts still work, so nice stuff there. And it looks like we have more of a raised lip on this one. Yes. We do indeed have a little bit more of a raised lip. Don't know how well y'all can see that. Again, I apologize. As opposed to this one, which was a little bit flatter of a lip. Again, I apologize. I don't know how well y'all can see that. But still got all the proper cutouts for our fingerprint sensor, camera, flash, USB Type-C port, headphone jack, microphone, speakers. All that stuff is here, and everything is nicely protected. So really, really good stuff, and it actually feels pretty solid in the hands. Now, one of the main reasons why I went with this Omoton case is because my jobs case here isn't really working too well with the wireless charging feature on the Samsung Galaxy S8. So I jumped on Amazon. And I was thinking I need something thinner, but I still want maximum protection. And I found this Omoton case. Or, yeah, Omoton. I think that's how you say it. And this was at a really, really good price. So I figured, why not? Again, if you guys are interested in this case, all the links to where you can pick up this case at some really great prices will be down below in the video description. Alright, so that has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Omoton clear TPU case for the Samsung Galaxy S8. Now we made a mess over here on camera. Take all of this off, put this off to the side. Now, as usual, if you guys and gals enjoyed the video, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more raw, uncut content like this, because you never really know what's going to happen when I push record, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon so you guys and gals get notified when I drop new videos, okay? As I already said, all the links to where to purchase this case and this case at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. The full review for this one will probably be, it's going to be with the other cases. So once I'm done picking up all the other cases that I want to look at for you guys and gals, y'all be on the lookout for the best cheap cases for the Samsung Galaxy S8 video. Man, I can't talk today. So y'all be on the lookout for that. We got a few more cases that I want to bring in and look at for you guys. So yeah. Alright, so that pretty much does it for this video. I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video.